Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Premier Whiteboard mobile whiteboard. You can get this product on Amazon for about $217. Check out the link in the description. The whiteboard comes with a short assembly instruction and it looks like it's very easy to assemble. Assembling the whiteboard is very easy and only takes a few minutes. I only used the hammer to assemble the whiteboard, but it is possible to assemble the whiteboard without using any tools. The whiteboard has a very nice size and it's very convenient to move around. The whiteboard comes with an eraser, 2 whiteboard markers and some magnets. If you're looking for a portable dry erase whiteboard for your office or home, which is also magnetic, I would recommend the Premier Whiteboard mobile whiteboard. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.